Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I like having a smoothie in the morning. It's refreshing, delicious, and also a healthy way to start our day. I've shared many tasty ones with you, like Caribbean, kiwi raspberry, cantaloupe, tropical sunshine, and more. Now, here's another flavorful one to add to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Polynesian smoothie. This is incredibly delicious. Using fresh tropical ingredients like mangoes, guavas, and pineapple, this is an amazing beverage to make. Quick and easy, this smoothie is an absolute must-try. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In the jar of a blender, we'll add pineapple, followed by guavas and some mangoes. To this, we'll pour in milk as well as pineapple juice. Then we'll add a tablespoon of agave nectar. If you want it sweeter, add more. We'll place the lid and process on medium-high speed until smooth. And don't forget to taste and adjust if necessary. And my friends, this is our Polynesian smoothie. What a great way to start your day with a beautiful combination of fruits. This beverage is refreshingly delicious, and the flavor will take your taste buds on a tropical vacation. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!